How to block YouTube channel. Blocking your YouTube channel can help you avoid unwanted content. Here is a short guide on how to block a YouTube channel. Open YouTube and go to the channel you want to block. Suppose if this is the channel, you need to open it and then make sure to unsubscribe that particular channel if you have subscribed it. You can simply tap on the subscribe button and then tap on unsubscribe. Once you have done that, you need to exit from this particular page and then tap on three dots at the right corner of this YouTube channel. Then you need to select on recommend channel, and once you have done that, you are good to go. So when you block particular YouTube channel, you will no longer see videos from that channel in your feed.
I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.